Welcome to Kwele Math Lab. Today we are looking at multiplication of matrix by scalar. Multiplication of matrix by scalar. So we have this simple definition here. Multiplication of matrix. All the entries of matrix can be multiplied by a common factor, and then it's called a scalar factor. So here we use K to represent the scalar factor. So in the process of solving it, we call it multiplication, scalar multiplication. And the answer that we obtain, we call it scalar product. So let's take, when we take this example, A here is a matrix. So matrix A multiplies by what? The scalar factor here. So it means that the K here is multiplying the entries here. So K multiplies A, K multiplies B, K multiplies C, K multiplies D will give us this. So let's take this example. The example here we have A is a matrix of what? 3 by 1 matrix. 3 by 1 matrix. So it means that how many rows? 3 rows, 1 column. So we have P. It says that write out the matrix for P. And we know that the P is equal to the 2 here is the scalar factor. Okay, so the A is given to us as this. So that is 5, 3, and 2. So when you solve this one, it means that the negative 2 here is multiplied whatever in this bracket or the entries here. So negative 2 times 5 will give us negative 10. Negative 2 times 3 will give us negative 6. Negative 2 times 2 will give us negative 4. So this one is the answer for the question. Now let's move on to this example. Now we have an example. If a matrix P and Q, find I. So we are finding I. Negative 5P. Negative 5P. So I, negative 5, and what is our P? Our P here is 4, 1, 2, 3. So our final answer, we are multiplying the entries by the negative 5 here. So it means that this one, multiply negative 5 and 4, give us negative 20. Multiply this will give us 5. Multiply this and that will give us negative 10. Multiply this will give us negative 15. So this one becomes the answer for our matrix. So I. So I 113Q. So we know that 113, what is the Q here? The Q is 12, 13, negative 3, and negative 9. Of which this one is going to give us, multiply the fraction here by the number here. We're going to get 12 on 3, 13 on 3, and then we're going to get negative 3 on 3, negative 9 on 3. So you are multiplying it by what's the bracket here. So when you solve this, 3 goes to 12 how many times? 4. 3 goes to 13, give us 4.3. 3 goes to 3, give us negative 1. 3 goes to 9, give us negative 3. So this one becomes the answer for this question. So question A is the answer for that. Now let's solve question B. It says that matrix A and B, you should find 2A and then 3B. Now, to find this one, first and solve for this and that. After that, you put them together. So we are solving the 2A first. 2A. So the 2 is what is the A? The matrix for A is 4, 1, 2, 3. So this one will give us 2 times 4 will give us 8. 2 times 1 will give us 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 2 times 3 will give us 6. So this one becomes our answer. Then let's take the next one, 3D. 3b, what is 3? And the b is here. What is the b? 1, 1, -2, -1, and 4. So this one gives us 3. Multiply 3 and the -2 give us -6. Multiply 3 and the -1 give us -3, and this one will give us 12. So we are going to put them together. So 2a plus 3b. 2a is 8, 2, 4, 6. And then 3b is 3, -6, -3, and 12. So our final answer, you are going to add the corresponding elements here. So 8 times 2 gives us 11. 8 plus 3 will give us 11. 2 plus -6 will give us -4. 4 plus -3 will give us 1. 6 plus 12 will give us 18. So this becomes our final answer for this question.